Today we are demonstrating a new 3-meter or 120-inch semi-automatic CNC table installed on an IW125 SD iron worker. This iron worker is also equipped with hydraulic hold down for the flat bar shear and the angle shear station. This is a 10-inch touchscreen on-road controller with preview function, and right now we are going at the maximum plate size 120-inch and 16-inch, punching at the corners. The Y-axis uses an actuator that is made in USA with German components. The travel speed is 15 meter per minute. The Y gauge is 1.2 meters long, or about 4 feet. For very good support of long material, and it is supported at both the drive end and also at the right side, so it's very sturdy. This machine is also equipped with hydraulic hold down. The front portion of the table can be detached from where this pole is, for punching angles and channel leg down. The table has 4 transfers to make handling of material easier. Again, the stopper right now is hovering at 15 meters per minute. And let's take a look at the main frame. Is a very thick steel pipe. It's a very steady and durable design. And that's on the program again.